Dolls Day. Hi and welcome everyone. This is a Dolls Day and we are going to be looking at a few Miniverse items that we've gotten. And these are party items, okay? Now, I know there was a lot of party items out there for the Miniverse, but I did not want all of them, that's for sure. So I just got the few that I did want, and let me show you which ones that I did get. Now I did open all these because I didn't want to open them in the video because it would take too long. So this is the piñata one, and I got the chocolate for the little chocolate candies, but I don't think I'm actually going to use these. You know, maybe I'll do it, I don't know, but I really like the molds here for the little chocolate dinosaurs. They do look really cute. I don't know. Did get this cake. It's a nice hard cake that's really good. So we did get like a knife to spread the frosting around it, and we did get these are so cute. Look at this. These are my favorite parts, the little plants with the dinosaur cake, with the dinosaur for the cake, and then this little nest with another dinosaur. I actually, when my son graduated elementary school, I actually made him a cake with dinosaurs on it, literal like huge dinosaurs actually. But that's why I really like this one. So I went ahead and got this set. I got some little tissues and stuff. I don't know if I'll use those. We do have the little wrappers for the little dinosaur candies, I guess. And then let's see what else. Okay, let me adjust my camera, sorry. And then we have these little chomp bags. Okay, so they're little bags with dino prints on them, and you get like 4. Okay, so you get 4. That's a good amount of bags to put candies in. So that's gonna be cute. I think I really like making the little dinosaurs and wrapping them up. I don't know how they'll look once you wrap them. They probably won't even look like dinosaurs though. But then we have these plastics which just go to the trash, so that's a waste and that's sad. Okay, so just throw those away to the other side. Okay, so I have this next ball and I'm just gonna pull everything out for us. And here we have it. Let's see this. We got the watermelon cakes. I really like these. Let me show you them real quick. They're soft. They're like squishy soft, I guess you could say. They're like a rubbery texture, and they look like plain cake cupcakes, which is what I make for my son. They don't really have frosting on them, and that's what I like to do because the cake itself is kind of on the sweet side, so you don't really need frosting, but you can put it if you wanted to. And so that's the way they look. I like the hard container. It's a cute container. And of course we get the fruits and stuff, and then we get the little display tray. That was really cute. So let's go on to see. We also got holiday balls. Okay, now I'm capsules, sorry, not balls. Capsules. We got holiday capsules. Now, and what is this, a Target? No, this is Valentine. Okay, so we got a Valentine's as well. So let me just show you which ones we got of these. I did not want all the capsules. There's the tray for that one. And okay, that's the bottom. And this is, okay, this is the charcuterie bowl tray. Charcuterie tray. Okay, well, you guys know what it is, right? It's a tray where you put a lot of cheese, fruits, you know, meats on, so that people could come by and grab a few while you're having like a dinner party or something. And so it's a fruit plate, I guess you could say, but it's not gonna have just fruit, it's gonna have crackers. Oh my god, these crackers are amazing. Let me see how these look. Oh, that's so cute. It looks like it has a little cracker tray. Oh my gosh, look at that. You know what, that will look good just displayed in the cracker tray on the table. They don't have to be on the board. By the way, I think the board is too small for all the items. And then we get some honey. Okay, I don't know who dips their food in honey. I wouldn't want like my cheese dipped in honey or my crackers dipped in honey. So I don't know why we got honey for that, but there's some honey. Tongs, of course. There's a little, oh, this is cute. Did we get like a honey bowl? This is prosciutto. So that's cute. But I know that this won't be able to stick to itself. So, you know, I don't know how that would have to be displayed. Maybe in strips instead of rolls. And then we get some fruits. Okay, now these are very few fruits to put on a board for guests. You know, 4 strawberries. That's it. I think I would rather put the slices of strawberries here, because the slices of apples are smaller than the strawberries. There's a little knife. I don't know, that doesn't even go in there. Now I did open these ahead of time, guys, because I didn't want you guys to have to wait for me to open each little package, and I can't remove this after I put it on. I can't remove it now, so I'm just gonna throw it away with that other plastic. And you know what, I don't want this tray, so I'm probably just gonna throw that in the recycling too. Get rid of those things. And then we have the next one. This one is the gingerbread cookies. Okay, the Yule log. There's the table for it, which I'm not keeping. Not keeping. Little golden tray. Oh, this display table for the cake is beautiful. I love the details at the bottom, the ridges up here at the top. This is a beautiful piece for the Yule log. It's gonna look really, really nice. You can actually put any cake on that, and it will look really, really nice. We have the Yule log. They call it a roll cake, so that's the way it looks. It's like a cinnamon color. It looks nice. Has only one slice coming out of it. I don't know that I'll use that display cake table, because that looks too small for the Yule log. And then there's some frosting. Oh, this is okay, so this is to put on top of the Yule log. I don't know how thick that cream will be though. And this is some sugar to make it look like snow, I guess. That's cute. And then we have, oh, this capsule thingy again, another one. And then we have, what is this? Like, oh, raspberries and some leaves, okay. Or they could be cranberries. Okay, they could be cranberries and leaves. And we get a spreader, red, and some little mushrooms. These mushrooms are adorable. I don't know that you guys can see them good because my camera's not focusing. My camera really does hate me, guys. Yep, he hates me. He just won't focus on them. Oh god, there we go. Finally, do something nice for me. Thank you. So they look cute. They have little speckles on them. Adorable. I really like these. And now he's out of focus again. The trays again, the capsules again are just gonna go in the recycling. It's a lot of wasteful plastic. Probably would be better if they just put everything into one whole box, so that way they didn't have to waste on all this plastic capsule stuff. Imagine if you just bought a box, $40, you know. That would have been better. Then you just have the one package. You have the charcuterie board. You have the turkey, I guess. I think there's a turkey. And I think there was just 4 of the holiday ones. So why not just put them in a box? together. So we have the Valentine. Sorry, I go on yapping and yapping. Valentine's. Okay, so I didn't want all of the Valentine's Day ones. What I wanted was this one, the fondue set. So I really love this. Okay, now it does have the chocolate sauce, and it has these sticks to put the fruit on. And here's the fruit. You get strawberries and look like pineapples. I wish I got bananas instead. Yeah, it's strawberries and pineapples. Would have been really cool too if we would have gotten like marshmallows, some like big marshmallows. That would have been cool. Oh, look at me. I should shut my mouth. Okay, there's the marshmallows. And some little cake cubes. So I did open this a while back, but I just had it saved for the longest time. That's why I didn't realize that there were marshmallows in it. But these little cake cubes are adorable because they have like the cutest little texture on them. And then we have this little thing, which is where the fire is supposed to go, the little candle to keep the chocolate warm. And my camera hates me still. Focus, please. Okay, so there's that. And then we have, okay, this is where you put the fondue inside. Okay, there's the base. And I think it goes, I don't really know. Okay, it sits like that. It doesn't sit good, guys. Okay, so I'll probably put something to make it stay together and put that, not gonna put that in actually. So that's what I got for the holidays. This has been a Doll's Day. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And please comment on what you like the best. Bye!